from the Dark Imp. Today I want to show you one of our coaster games, Sleuth Box. Sleuth Box is great for teachers to use in school as well as for parents to use at home. This is a 2-player deduction game and it plays really quickly, so it's easy to fit into your lesson as a starter activity or as a wind-up activity at the end of the lesson. It's great for maths because it's all about logic and systematic working. It's a deduction game, so you're trying to discover which symbol your opponent has chosen. At the beginning of the game, you each choose a symbol, you keep it secret from the other player, and then you take it in turns to point to a symbol and to ask, is it near here? And your opponent answers yes if their symbol is on the same colour background, within one square diagonally, on the same row or the same column, or is the exact thing that you have pointed to. In any other case, they say no. And then it's the other player's turn to ask a question, so you alternate asking questions and building up information about which their symbol might be and what it's not. When you think you know what symbol they chose, you're going to point to it and say, is it here? The other player answers yes if you've got it correct and no if you've got it incorrect. And at that point, someone's going to win the game. So you can play it multiple times. Now it's great to play in school because you can play 1 versus 1, so you could play in pairs, or you could play table versus table, or you could play a sort of beat the teacher's style game where every learner is in the class is playing together to try and beat the teacher. Also, with games like this that are so cheap to buy, one for each learner, you can allow the learners to take them home, and then they're going to take that back to their parents and play with their family at home. So you're sharing this activity that you've been doing in school and letting them talk about those things at home as well. That's Sleuth Box, one of our coaster games.